Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So actually we've got 3 different ways which we can use in order to activate this feature. The first one will be the manual one, so we will go through all these steps. Second one will rely on this app, and it is the best option to choose if you've got the gestures set just like me, and I will show you another way to do that to activate this feature if you've got the 3 buttons navigation bar. So let's begin with this one. If you've got the gestures, all you have to do is simply tap on this assistant icon, and as you can see, your Google Assistant is ready to help you get things done, and all you have to do is simply tap on turn on. Now let me share with you another way to do that, and just let me quickly switch to the 3 button navigation. Okay, let me get back. And if you've got the 3 button navigation just like me right now, all you have to do is simply tap on the home button and hold it. And as you can see here, we've got the same info as we had in the previous way, so right now we can just tap on turn on. Let me do it. And as you can see, the Google Assistant is ready to help you. So here we've got 2 different ways to set the Google Assistant, and let me share with you the 3rd option, and we have to enter the Google folder and tap on the Google. Now we have to tap on more and enter the settings. Here we've got Google Assistant, so simply enter, and right now we have to find the option which will be called General. Let's tap on General, and here we've got Google Assistant. So if you've got it turned off, it will look like it, and if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. Here we've got the info that Google Assistant sends info like your voice requests and so on and so on. So all you have to do is just tap on turn on, and since now it is activated. So actually that's all. This is how to activate Google Assistant in your Motorola Moto G30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.